Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll explore Toggl Track, an intuitive tool for tracking employee time and boosting productivity. Whether you're managing remote teams or just want to streamline time tracking, Toggl Track is a great solution. Let's get started. Set up your workspace. Log into Toggl Track and create a workspace for your team. This is where you'll manage projects, assign tasks, and track time. Add team members. Invite your team to join the workspace by entering their email addresses. Assign roles and permissions to control access to different features. Create projects and tasks. Organize work by creating projects and breaking them down into tasks. Add details like project names, task descriptions, and estimated hours to keep everything structured. Start tracking time. Use the Toggl Track timer to record time spent on specific tasks. Team members can start and stop timers directly in the app or manually log hours if needed. Review and analyze reports. Toggl Track generates detailed reports showing how time is spent across projects and team members. Use these insights to improve workflows and productivity. Toggl Track simplifies time tracking and helps ensure every minute is accounted for. Have you used Toggl Track for your team? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you next time.